In a very strange twist, we have another guest named Blake. So we've got two Blakes. Blake Moret is joining us as well. We'll keep Blake Berman in there and punch up the president any moment now. But Blake, of course, is the Rockwell Automation CEO. You do business in 80 different countries, sir. As we keep one eye on what's going on in the Rose Garden, what are you hoping you hear when it comes to trade? How has it affected your industry?
Well, Rockwell has a flexible worldwide footprint, and that includes our supply chain as well as our manufacturing footprint. So the enacted tariffs don't have a material financial impact on us, but the uncertainty isn't helpful. And so when the government does act, we favor a strategic approach that aligns us with our allies.
Okay, I get that, but surely when you're dealing with automation, it's not just things like developing software and coding. You've got to deal with a lot of, I would imagine, heavy material as well, which has been in the sights of this administration with the steel and aluminum, if not directly with your industry, with the industries with whom you deal, correct?
Right. Internally, Rockwell Automation doesn't use a lot of steel or aluminum in our products. As you said, it's a lot of software and firmware, but the bigger impact is on our customers. And so obviously we're looking at something that spurs trade and strengthens our customers around the world.
Okay. For anybody who's just joining us, on the left-hand side of your screen, you're seeing two podiums and two flags, the European Union flag and the United States flag. This was not supposed to be the case. There was not supposed to be this sudden rush into the Rose Garden. But usually when they have these events, it's for a positive reason. It's for some type of success. So maybe we're thinking. So I've got, it's like Dr. Seuss and the eyes going in all different directions. Watch the Dow, watch the NASDAQ, watch the S&P. Right now the S&P's up 10. We do have the Dow just straddling the flat line slightly above it. These markets may move on whatever news comes out moments from now. Blake Moret, one of the things that the president did last week was to sign this executive order about jobs and job training. He brought in a whole bunch of companies and said, it's on you guys to start training people for the jobs of the future, jobs of Tomorrowland. 1 year ago, May, you sat and told me in Wisconsin that you guys were already doing that. How's it going, and what do we need to see from companies so that they're successful at doing this?
Well, to start with, Liz, people and having our own employees who are comfortable with advanced technology, who are highly engaged, that remains our most important asset. And many of our customers feel the same way. And so we began a program along with Manpower to train returning veterans for high-paying jobs in the advanced manufacturing industries of our customers. And I'm very happy to say that we just graduated our third class. We're on the way to graduating 170 by the end of this year, returning veterans who are in high demand at manufacturers around the United States, ramping up to 1,000 a year by the year 2020.
Can I just quickly ask you what those jobs are paying?
Those jobs are paying between $50,000 and $70,000, and we've seen some examples that are well north of that. These are technician-level jobs. Those are the types of jobs that require familiarity and hands-on experience with the manufacturing technology.
Gotcha.
And we're seeing that in high demand from food producers to metal companies to electric vehicle manufacturers across the spectrum.